Hello everyone, myself Hidesh Bihud and today's date 23rd November 2022. Today we will discuss about the wrapper classes in Java. So the wrapper class in Java which is provide the mechanism that converts the primitive types into object and object into primitive types. Since in Java Standard Edition 5.0, the automation, autoboxing and unboxing, which two features that are used to convert the primitive data types into an object and object into primitive data types automatically. The automatically conversion, which is known as autoboxing and vice versa unboxing. Now we see the uses of wrapper class in a Java. As we know, Java is an object-oriented programming language, so the we needs to deals with the object many times, such as collection, serialization, and synchronization, etc. So let me see some different scenarios where we use the wrapper class. First one is change the value in a method. In this scenario, Java which supports only call by value. So if you have primitive data types, it do not change the original value. But if you have uh, uh, if you convert the primitive data types into object, it will change the original value. Second is serialization. The we need to convert an object into string to perform a serialization. So if you have a primitive value, uh, we need to convert an object to through the wrapper class. Third one is synchronization. The Java synchronization, which works with an object in a multi-threading. Fourth one is java.util package. The java.util package, which provide to use classes with deals with an object. And last one is uh, collection framework. The collection framework in Java, which is deals with only an object. Uh, in this wrapper class, there are 8 classes that provides into java.lang package, which is known as wrapper class. They are uh, byte, boolean, integer, character, short, long, float, and double. Now we see the two main features, that is autoboxing and unboxing. First one is autoboxing. In autoboxing, the automation conversion of a primitive data types into an corresponding wrapper class, which is known as autoboxing. For example, we convert char into character or a int into integer. That is a autoboxing. In a Java, since Java 5, we do not need to use the values of method of a wrapper class to convert the primitive data types into object. And second one is unboxing. The automation conversion of a wrapper class into corresponding primitive data types, which is known as unboxing. Since in Java 5, we do not need to use the int values method of a wrapper class to convert the wrapper class into primitive data types. Here, this all about the wrapper class in Java. Thank you.